What is structuralism? An early school focused on breaking mental processes into basic elements. Who founded functionalism? William James. What is the main idea of the behavioral perspective? Behavior is learned through conditioning and observation. Who is associated with psychoanalysis? Sigmund Freud. What is the humanistic perspective's focus? Personal growth, free will, and self-actualization. What is the biological perspective? It explains behavior through brain structures, neurotransmitters, and genetics. What is the cognitive perspective? It studies mental processes like memory, perception, and problem solving. What is the evolutionary perspective? It explains behavior through adaptation and natural selection. What is the sociocultural perspective? It focuses on how culture, social norms, and environment shape behavior. What is a hypothesis? It's a testable prediction about the relationship between variables. What is an independent variable? It's the factor manipulated by the researcher. What is a dependent variable? It's the factor measured as the outcome. What is a control group? It's the group that does not receive the independent variable used for comparison. What is random assignment? It's assigning participants to groups by chance to reduce bias. What is correlation? It's a measure of the relationship between two variables. It's not the same as causation. What is a case study? It is an in-depth study of one person or a small group. What is naturalistic observation? It's observing behavior in a natural setting without interference. What is the placebo effect? Improvement caused by the belief in treatment, not the treatment itself. What is informed consent? Participants agreeing to take part after being told about risks and procedures. What are neurons? Nerve cells that send and receive information. What does serotonin regulate? Mood, appetite, and sleep. What is the central nervous system? The brain and spinal cord. What is the peripheral nervous system? Nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. What does the sympathetic nervous system do? Activates the fight or flight response. What does the parasympathetic nervous system do? Calms the body and conserves energy. What is the function of the hippocampus? Forms and stores new memories. What does the amygdala control? Emotional processing, especially fear and aggression. What is the cerebellum responsible for? Balance, coordination, and fine motor skills. What is the frontal lobe's role? Planning, decision-making, and voluntary movement. What is plasticity? The brain's ability to change and adapt after injury or experience.